Cinco de Mayo is a fun day to celebrate. Grab your materials and start crafting some easy sombreros. For this project, you will need terracotta flower pots and saucers, acrylic paint, pom-poms, and glue. Make sure that the saucer is larger than the pot so that it looks like a sombrero. Start by painting the pots. I made one blue and one yellow. It will take at least 2 coats of paint. Allow them to dry completely. Paint 2 different colored triangles on the bands and allow them to dry. Add the pom-poms to the edge with a little glue and make sure to space them evenly. You can add a little candy or use them as place settings at your Cinco de Mayo party. Your kids are sure to love making them, and they will be a hit at your gathering. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week.